its subsidiary, Dabo Pte Limited, and is being reconstructed, renovated by Fletcher Construction. Fletcher Construction Fiji is a joint venture. It's owned 50% by Fletcher Construction New Zealand, 25% by the Fiji National Provident Fund, and 25% by Fijian Holdings Limited. Mr. Speaker, sir, works on the project temporarily came to a halt due to contractual matters and a disagreement between the parties. And those parties are separate legal business entity. These matters resulted in differing views and delays in the fulfillment of certain project obligations. Despite ongoing efforts to resolve the issues and maintain progress on the site, this led to a short-term demobilization of works. The Dabo project entity, as a subsidiary of FNPF, continues to operate in accordance with proper governance processes and is acting at all times in the best interest of the fund and its members. Mr. Speaker, sir, I wish to assure Parliament that both parties have been in continuous dialogue to finalize the matter. Discussions are progressing well, and I've been advised that the contractual issue is expected to be fully resolved by this week, after which normal construction activities will resume. Mr. Speaker, sir, construction progress across the guest room blocks has advanced to the final stages, with practical completion now targeted for March 2026. Achieving this milestone will be a major step towards the staged opening and will mark significant progress in re-establishing the Westin as a premier destination. To support the property's business objective and brand relaunch, a stage opening strategy has been proposed to the operator. This approach will allow selected hotel areas to become operational ahead of full project completion, enabling early revenue generation while remaining works continue in non-critical zones. Mr. Speaker, sir, despite the complexity and challenges inherent in a large-scale redevelopment such as this, balancing the preservation of the hotel's historical character while introducing modern design and amenities, the Fiji National Provident Fund remains fully committed to completing the Westin project and delivering a world-class hospitality asset that will strengthen our tourism sector and create long-term values for our members and for Fiji. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Due to the negotiation and consultation between the parties, I can't divulge any more information rather than the one I've provided due to the sensitivity of the issues and do not want to prejudge the discussion results or the resolutions.